I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: model, camera, microphone, and GPU or cloud access. Once ready, connect the live feed and choose a stable background so tracking stays reliable. Then load your avatar or reference poses into the Sway model and map input channels. This lets the system read motion and audio cues. Make sure latency settings are reasonable so the AI responds in sync. Now you're set to perform the first actionable calibration steps immediately. Once the avatar is loaded, you calibrate motion mapping so the AI interprets your sway correctly. Start with a standard pose capture, 10 to 20 frames, then tweak sensitivity and smoothing to remove jitter while preserving expressiveness. Next, configure blending between procedural and recorded motion so transitions feel natural. Test small, deliberate sways while watching key points. If motion lags, lower smoothing or increase frame rate. Finally, link audio beats to tempo detection so sways align with music. You finish by performing short takes and iterating. Review, tweak mappings, and record again until timing and expression match your intent. Once satisfied, export either motion files like FBX/BVH for further editing or render straight to MP4 for sharing. If things go wrong, diagnose quickly. Rerun calibration, remove background clutter, or reduce smoothing to recover responsiveness. Make sure to save presets so you can reproduce settings. With these final steps, your AI sway dance is ready for playback or post-production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.